Can you solve this question using Desmos without getting it wrong? Let's see how. For the linear function p of c is equal to -2, where c is a constant. P of 5 is equal to 34. So he gave me 2 points, one of which its x-coordinate is unknown, which is the first one, which is c. The first point, it's c and -2. The second point, it's 5 and 34. And he told me that the slope of this function, of this graph, is 6. As he said, he told me that the slope of the graph of y equal p of x in the xy plane is 6. For the linear function t, this is a different linear function. So now we have two functions, p of x and t of x. The second one, which is talking about t of c is equal to -4. So this is the first point, whose also x-coordinate is unknown. And t of 6 is equal to 52. The second point is complete. It's completely known, I mean. What's the slope of the graph of y equal t of x in the xy plane? First, I'm going to move to Desmos, define p of x, define t of x, and then write the conditions which he gave me in my magical bracket regression bar. He will automatically, very quickly, calculate the slope of the second line, which is the m. Let's see how. So this is my first function, p of x equal to 6x plus b. Since I don't know the value of the y-intercept, I wrote it b. So this is my first function. Let's move to the second function, which is t of x. So this is my second function whose slope is asking about. He's asking about the slope of the t of x. So I called the slope of it, I called it m, and the y-intercept of it, since that I don't know it, I called it c. So now these are my two functions. Desmos has these two functions defined to him as two linear functions. I'm going to move to the third cell. I'm going to write the conditions which he gave me in the bracket regression form, and let's see how. I modified something. The y-intercept of the t of x, I called it k because we have two different parameters here, which are the y-intercept of the t of x and the c, which is asking about. So I have to give different letters for both parameters. So that's why I called the y-intercept of t of x, I called it k instead of c, in order for Desmos not to get confused. So as you can see, this is the slope of t of x, which is m. It's equal to 8. That's it. Very easy. See you next video, inshallah.